I'm Marna. Welcome to my afternoon office. I work at the counter and my sewing machine in the morning, and in the afternoon I come in here and hand stitch, sneak a nap, and watch videos, answer comments, etc. Today I am learning to knit. Well, this week. It's a little more complicated than crocheting. I can crochet. I used to crochet all kinds of stuff. Toys and clothes and sweaters and like for people and children. This knitting thing, I get it, I get the concept, but I keep dropping stitches. I need to learn because I'm doing a collaboration with Beth Ramsden. Thank you, Beth. And it's called 5 Days of Christmas. And we're doing, it's the 6th through the 10th of December. And we're doing one a day. And we're starting with 1 crochet hook, 2 knitting needles, 3 inches of fabric where we cut it 3 inches wide, but it can be as long as we want. 4 snaps to hold it. Whatever we're making, we'll need 4 snaps. And 5 golden rings. Well, I'm on day 2 here. Well, I haven't even gotten to day 2 yet. I get the holding the ridges, I get the wrapping around, I get the, holding this and turning that. Ooh, I made a stitch. I get the crossing over, but still learning. Stay tuned, come by. Watch all of our videos and see if I learn to knit well enough to make a scarf for one of my dolls in our 5 Days of Christmas collab. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Beth. This is going to be fun. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.